Hello everyone. The purpose of this video is to show you how to look up um, neighborhood um, information for census data for engagement. And the easiest way to do that is to go directly to Census Engagement Navigator. And this will give you a snapshot of the demographics of neighborhoods, states, counties, regions for engagement, community survey statistics. So click on Census Engagement Navigator, and then we get this really interesting map and see how it gives this quick snapshot of information. So this is easy to navigate, and you navigate it by your geographic knowledge. So what you'll see is, what the legend is before you click on anything is the mail return rate. So as you can see, how much, what the return rate is. Arizona's in the middle. But when you click on a state, everything else goes white. But it shows that you've selected that particular state, and it gives this breakdown, this quick snapshot of information. But we're going to go ahead and go to Arizona, and it gives this snapshot of Arizona where you get the total population, persons under 5, persons over 65, the average household income, the poverty rate, graduation rate, foreign born, as well as a racial breakdown, Hispanic or Latino breakdown, as well as a language breakdown. So if we want to go further into Arizona, you just left click and left click on click here to view all counties in Arizona. So now it's broken down by counties. So if I click on Maricopa County, now it's going to show all of that same information that we had for Arizona here. So we can get a quick snapshot of Arizona or Maricopa County, quick census data breakdown of Navajo County, Apache County, but I'm going to go back to Maricopa County and left click, and then now we can click to view census tracts in Maricopa County. We can go to a narrative profile for Maricopa County, or we can return to the state map. I'm going to go to click here to view all census tracts in Maricopa County. I have to wait for it to load, and now it's showing all the census tracts, different areas within Maricopa County by neighborhood. So I'm going to go into Phoenix, Arizona, let it load a little bit, and I'm going to click on this neighborhood, and it gives that same breakdown. So census tract, 1105.01, Maricopa County, Arizona, gives you the total population, languages spoken at home, the racial breakdown, and you can do that for any census tract, and it'll pull up that quick snapshot of information for a region. To go back up, you just simply return to county map. But what I'm going to do is seeing you can select multiple. I recommend only selecting one. You can zoom back out by using your scroll bar, or by using this navigation to zoom in and out. And then I'm going to go ahead and zoom out again, and I'm going to click here. Or I'm going to click here. And then you see how it quickly gives you this information. So for 9412, which primarily covers Fort McDowell, it gives you population and all of that other information as well. And you see the racial information breakdown. So this is the Census Engagement Navigator. It's a pretty neat tool that Data.Census.gov provides, and it gives you a quick informational snapshot of states, counties, and census tracts, if that's the information you need.